Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Oracle Cloud VPS instances with secure networking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Oracle Cloud VPS instances with secure networking, begin by logging into your Oracle Cloud account. Access the Oracle Cloud console from your dashboard. Navigate to the Compute section on the left sidebar. Click on Instances to view your current VPS instances. Select the Create Instance button to start a new setup. Choose a name for your instance that reflects its purpose. Select the appropriate compartment for your instance. Under Image and Shape, choose the operating system you want to install. Select the shape of your instance based on your resource requirements. Review the available shapes and click Select on your desired option. Next, configure the instance networking settings. In the Configure Networking section, select Create Virtual Cloud Network or use an existing one. If creating a new virtual cloud network, set your network name and compartment. Specify the CIDR block for your virtual cloud network. Add a public subnet for external access to your instances. Configure security lists to establish control over inbound and outbound traffic. Create a default security list for your virtual cloud network. Add rules to allow specific traffic, like SSH for remote access. Set up a firewall rule to restrict unwanted access. Review the configuration to confirm settings are correct. Proceed to the Add SSH Keys section to generate or upload a public key. Use an existing key file or generate a new one using SSH key generation tools. After adding the SSH key, proceed to review your instance setup. Examine all settings, including name, shape, image, and networking. If everything looks good, click the Create button to launch your instance. Wait for the instance to initialize, which may take a few minutes. Once the instance is active, note the public IP address assigned to it. Connect to your instance using an SSH client with your private key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.